Yeah, so we're at this fair. I don't know how much y'all can hear me, but we'll see you guys once we get there. Go get some food, y'all. I cannot wait. We had an elephant here, and I can't wait to eat some more good food. Okay, so London went a corn dog. I'll probably get a corn dog too, and we'll see what else we're gonna get. But yeah, so we're at the park getting ready for the fireworks. It starts basically when it gets dark, so it's kind of windy today though. But we out here. It's a nice night. I got my favorite girl out here.
Hey.
So I'll show you guys the fireworks when they come. Alright, so we're waiting for the fireworks. It should be starting soon. It's 10 o'clock and me and London are playing a memory game. So we're going to see how we can do. So the category is going to be, let's do fruit again.
Okay.
Apples.
Apple, pear.
Apple, pear, banana.
Apple, pear, banana, grapes.
Apple, pear, banana, grapes, kiwi.
Apple, banana. Yeah, apple, orange, banana.
No, we didn't say orange. And
I hate that guy.
Loser.
Fast food again.
Fast food? Okay, go ahead.
McDonald's.
McDonald's, Wendy's.
McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell.
McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, KFC.
McDonald's? No, I know. McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, and KFC, and Chick-fil-A.
McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, KFC, Chick-fil-A, Arby's.
McDonald's? I know. McDonald's, Wendy's, McDonald's, Wendy's. I don't know. Mama.
I am the champ. I am the greatest. Girl, if you fall, I will laugh at you super, super hard. I will laugh. I will be that mom that laughs at you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, that will do it for our nights. We are back home. The fireworks were pretty good. London definitely enjoyed the mommy-daughter time, and she enjoyed the fireworks as well. So yeah, y'all, I am going to call it a night. I am in bed, as you can tell, and I'm getting ready to go to sleep because I'm tired, and I know the babies will be up super early in the morning because they don't sleep in, period. Alright, so I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Peace. What is up, you guys? Good morning and happy Sunday. Today we got some things we're doing today, so I thought I'd vlog, take you guys along with us. We're gonna get ready to go to breakfast in a minute. We're gonna go to IHOP, the whole fam, Chris, Bella. So I basically got the boys ready. Linda's still asleep. I gotta get her up and ready. I'm dressed and ready. I just gotta do my hair. And then we're gonna take the kids to this place called Yo-Yo Fun Center, which is basically like an indoor playscape, I guess you could say. So yeah, it should be a good time. But yeah, I wanted to come on, say good morning, start the vlog off, and yeah, I'm gonna get them, start getting them ready, get myself ready, get Linda ready, and we'll see you guys once we're all ready. That food was good. Did you enjoy your food, Linda?
Yeah, it was the bomb.
You like your food, Bella? Yeah.
Guess what, guys? Guys, my food was busting.
Y'all, Linda can no longer order from the children's menu because she ate her food. She ate my food. She ate Chris's food, and she ate Bella's food. Everybody's food she ate, okay, and hers.
Reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
Did you enjoy your food, babe?
Oh, I enjoyed all of it. It was delicious.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime.
It's great. So
That's
we're about to go back home, and I didn't tell y'all, but since we ended up going to breakfast later than normal, why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing.
I had to put the boys to sleep because they was hungry, they was cranky, they couldn't hang, and it was like their bedtime. So I just left them with my parents. So now we're about to go back, and hopefully they'll be up. If not, I'm gonna probably have to just wake them up. Might get them a little bit of lunch. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Yo-Yo Fun Center and have some fun.
Guys, I've never ever been to Yo-Yo Fun Center.
Shit, it should be a fun time. Say hey.
No, what up, y'all? Y'all good?
And look what he got me. Like, he told me he had a surprise for me. So he got me a smoothie, some McDonald's, and hold on, let me turn the camera around. And some Reese's ice cream because you know I love Reese's. And y'all know how I feel about the Crumbl. Look. So this is like blueberry cheesecake.
Yeah, blueberry cheesecake, Rocky Road.
Yeah, Rocky Road and
cookie butter cake.
Cookie butter cake. So yes, I wanted to try all of these. So we having a good day. Thank you, baby.
Welcome, my queen.
So we about to sit and eat for a little bit before he gotta go to work. And I'll let y'all know how the cookies are for sure.
That's lit. Hey, you gotta try this.
It's good.
In a mofo. That mug is good. All right, now we're gonna try the cake better. Fat boy-ish. Damn, that's good. Yeah, they got some good ones too, bad.
See?
Oh my goodness. But you gotta take it to the house because I'm gonna eat all this shit up.
Let me see what you're talking about. Which one better? Cheesecake one? Alright, this one is the
Cake better.
cake batter.
Yeah, right.
It's like cake batter.
I'm gonna eat real good, man. Check your taste buds now. Right? Right? That's what I say. I'm like, there's so much flavor.
Crumbl.
Crumbl, I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all be getting me in trouble.
I'll do that.
Oh my god.
McDonald's, Crumbl, and try.
I told him, like, I had just worked out. Set my mind like, hey, okay, I gotta be back on it. He called me talking about, I got a surprise for you.
She literally called me, texted me and said, I want all these cookies.
No, no.
Yes, you did.
Okay. Every week, I always look to see what new cookies they got. And so I sent him the picture because we like getting cookies. So we'll decide if we want to get some cookies that week or not based on what they have. So I just so happened to check the app this morning and I was like, oh yeah.
I want all of them.
All of them.
So
I didn't necessarily mean today.
Well, guess what?
And I didn't mean all at the same time.
You got them all today. So you can eat them throughout the week. You can work out before and after to take away those carbs.
Definitely have to extra workout. And then we got this watermelon mojito smoothie and this thing hit too. This is listen, I know I'm fat after this.
Man, forget work. Let's just call off the hangout.
Well, I ain't gotta work anyway, so
I'm gonna work.
you call off and
Call off.
we can hang out.
Go to the park with the kiddos. I got Belly, you got the homies, and you got we ain't got one though. One though be mad.
She won't have to know.
She won't have to know. She gonna see this video and be like,
that was like 2 weeks ago.
oh, you know what I mean? Chris. Mom.
Chris.
We gotta play with them now. Linda, you just went to the Carnival. She'll be like, Mom, why would you do that? Yo, did. Come on.